Hi guys, welcome to this video. Today, as usual, I'm going to be sharing with you the market wrap up of last week and this coming week, what to expect in terms of my market insights, right? Okay, so last week, for the past 4 to 5 weeks, I was right on spot and pretty accurate on sharing with you my forecast of the coming week, right? Except for last week, right? Okay, but basically you cannot be right all the time, right? As long as you are right most of the time, things will work out for you, right? Okay, so just a quick market wrap up, but this time round, this video and onwards, I will be focusing not so much of a wrap up on my account, right? I'll leave the wrap up of my account, if you are following my account, how I'm trading, right? I will leave it into my monthly wrap up, monthly 100k challenge, where I report it every single month, right? Okay, at the end of the month, right? So this we will turn it into a market insights, which is so much better, right? A review of what happened last week and what's going to happen this week from my point of view, right? Okay, so but first thing first, everything that I share in this video is all for educational purposes. You need to do your own due diligence, and even though most of the time I'm right, you have been following all my videos, right? Most of the time I'm right, but I'm not right 100% of the time. Like last week I was wrong, right? Okay, so make sure you do your own due diligence. Let's jump right into it, right? And also guys, subscribe to this video if you feel it's beneficial, right? Okay, and also in the short term, I do think one stock is going to move a little bit, right? Like in this 1 or 2 weeks, it will still move a little bit on the upside, right? Hard to say, right? I'm going to be sharing them in this video, right? Okay, so over here, we can see that NASDAQ has gone down last week, right? Okay, this is a weekly chart. So last week it was a red bar, right? If you look at the daily chart, yeah, it went up, then came back down, you know. Volatility has increased. If you look at VIX, right? If you look at VIX, it has surged for the last 2 days, like Thursday and Friday. It has surged up a lot, right? Okay, compared with previously when it was here, right? So I suspect that it may continue to move up, right, for VIX, and that may sound good for some traders, may not sound good for other traders. It depends on whether they are relying on the VIX to trade, right? Okay, so let's go back to NASDAQ here, right? Okay, so they last week was pretty much like Friday, Thursday down, slight rebound on Wednesday, and basically most of the days are basically trending down, right? Okay, with Thursday and Friday selling down more because volatility has went up, right? VIX is a index tracking the volatility of the market, right? So it's slightly more volatile now, right? Okay, which is good for traders, right? Okay, not so good for investors maybe, right? So over here, we can see that there is a sell signal here, right? Based on my profit signal, right? Based on my profit signal and also based on my trade to win formula. Why I say this is because my trade to win formula is already programmed into this indicator called the profit signal, right? So the profit signal is actually showing on the weekly chart showing a sell, right? And the following week, which is last week, it went down, right? Okay, so I would say going forward, right, it may continue to have some more selling pressure, right? Maybe Monday will be a rebound as usual, right? Okay, because Thursday and Friday it was sold down quite a bit, right? So Thursday could be a rebound rally, right? Monday will be a rebound rally, and maybe it will last until Tuesday, who knows, right? But I do see that next week could be a very important week, in the sense that next week is also expiration of options and indexes, right? Okay, so index futures, right? Index futures. So the expiration of futures contract, expiration of options contract, volatility is going to increase, right? volatility is going to increase. Not only that, I do think like my early part of the week there should be a rebound rally, right? Whether it's sustainable is remain to be seen. But even though if it's sustainable, like I do see like this coming 2 weeks from now, regardless of what next week does, right, it may trend even lower, right? Trend even lower, like 11,600 is a possibility within the next 2 weeks, right? Okay. I'm more bearish right now. I'm looking to short sell the market more than buying the market, right? Okay. So you could actually use stocks like QQQ to trade, which is tracking the NASDAQ, right? To short it down, right? Okay. Sell high, buy low kind of thing. Or you could actually use SPY. Okay, SPY, which is tracking the S&P 500, right? Okay, and you can see like S&P 500 sold down slightly more than NASDAQ, right? Slightly more than NASDAQ. So that's the view I have. I think it should continue to move down lower, right? For any case, even if it doesn't move down lower, I don't feel like the selling is over anyway, right? So a slim chance it will be a positive week next week, right? But I would say 70% to 80% are more prone to it going down by the end of next week, right? Okay, and hope these market insights get you prepared and be more cautious, right? Okay, in your dealings with the stock market, right? Okay. There's one stock that's looking pretty okay in the sense that it has bucked the trend, right? Bucked the trend in the sense that market went down, it still went up, which is Intel, right? Okay. If things does suggest there is a possibility that you will reach 28 to even $29 or even $30, right? Okay. If the move continues, right? Okay. That's the only bright thing, right? Intel, right? Okay. And I do see like Intel, if you look at the long term, right? Okay, if you look at long term, right? Intel has a pretty good support around $24-25, right? So buying a price range, I would say, is around 24 to 25. It should be a very good buying range, right? Okay, and hopefully this give you a good idea. Of course, I think if things continue the way it is like last week, it should reach 28 or even $29, right? Okay. And that's all from me. I'll see you next week, and hope my market insights really help you a lot. And do subscribe to my channel and like this video, or even share this video to your friends or people around you so that they can benefit from my market insights. Thank you so much. I'll see you soon.